Hi everybody. I've got a really nice little lamp here, but it's got a broken cord switch, on-off switch. It's a little, I've got a little replacement switch. You can get these at any hardware store, or of course Amazon, something like that. And also, if you've got a lamp that you want to add a little switch to, this is a really easy project. Um, a lot of times, it's hard to get to the switch that's up, that's down, but where the bulb is. So adding a switch to the cord is a great little do-it-yourself sort of an upgrade. So let's see how that's done. Take the old one off first. That's a little screw. We need a smaller screwdriver. That's better. So you can see what's going on there is one side goes through and the other side has little indents. I don't know if you can see that in here or not, but it pushes through and makes contact with the wire. So let's get this opened up. So there's a couple screws in there. Those are small. Be careful you don't lose them. And I don't know, I can hold that. I don't know if I can zoom in on that or not, but one side goes through, and the other side is punched. Perhaps you can see those little brass or copper or something that punches through the wire. And it's on one side, so the side that's going to be shorter and punched, and this will go off to one side like that. So see if I can show how that works. I'm going to split this a little bit so it's easier to bend around that switch. Of course, be careful with that. You don't want to cut through the insulation. Side here, where we go. See, I got that turned real sideways. So the wire goes to this little trough here. So there's a little piece of plastic there, so you can't really put it wrong. It goes through that's the straight through piece. Goes through this little slot here. I can turn that where you can see or not, but you really can't get that wrong. So push that down in there. Okay, and I've just pushed it down in with the thumb. So you can see now the wire comes in, around through that low point, and then back out. So here's the new piece. And it can only go in one way too. It has these little guide pieces here and here, those plastic that fit in here and here. Align that. Just get it aligned. And then, I'm just using my thumb pressure, a pretty good amount of thumb pressure, but to make sure it goes in. Okay. Now one of these little screws. Lock it in. It doesn't have to be, excessively tight, but you definitely want to make sure it's all lined up properly. It feels like it's not quite the way I want it yet. I'm going to try to hold it in place with my hand. I don't know, let me see. So I think we're good. So that's it. It's like 15 minutes, and I was filming it and trying to go slow and everything. So it's an easy upgrade to, if you've got a little lamp and you want to put a corded switch on it, easy enough to do, or replace a broken one. Hope you found it useful. Please like and subscribe, and take care out there. And be careful with electricity. It can be a little bit intimidating, but if you go carefully, you should be okay. See ya.